up, man? Long time no see.
Mexicans have to come across the party.
Man, what's up, man?
What's up, Homer?
How's it going, dog?
It's my
What's up,
boy,
bud? Chris, man.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What's up, dog? What you doing?
Just having a party for Barry.
Here.
What's up, man? KB, man.
What house is this, dude?
It's my house, man.
Your house?
Finally got me something, yeah.
Good talk.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
I was able to get me, I got me a maintenance job. Kept it for a while, so.
Well, where you at maintenance?
I quit that job. Now I'll start a new job on Monday.
I'm in maintenance too, though.
Oh, yeah?
Enterprise, too. I'm a general maintenance worker.
Oh, yeah?
Everybody's doing maintenance.
What you been up to? Cruiser-palooza.
Man, you in that camcorder, man. Take a good shot.
Yeah, give it to me. Yes.
Damn.
Yes.
Okay, give me and George. Give me and George.
I ain't making those kind of movies now.
I don't know. I'm gonna let him right now. You know how married people are, though. They get out for a few minutes and they just go buck wild.
I know. I'm the same way. You should see when I get out and hit the town, boy, I go crazy. All this pin up.
You start doing the Homer Simpson dance and shit.
Just pin up frustration. I take it out on hookers and all kinds of shit.
That nigga there.
What's up, man? I'll be around. Man, hey, the pool table is supposed to be in the middle, bro.
I know, I'm about to set it up here pretty soon. You know, I wasn't going to set it up because I thought Barry was almost done, but he says he's going to stay over there longer. So I said, I'm going to set it up then.
Hey, where can I take a piss, bro?
Go inside, take a right, and it's the first door on the left.
All right.
Well, here you go. Not for the Mexicans. Hey, take your ass by the bushes, bro. See wrist on the
Hey,
camera.
Bizzle.
Be on the camera.
You get one.